name is Carolyn, and today I am going to show you how to draw a sleepy sloth. So you're going to need a piece of paper. I'm using my sketchbook, and I have it horizontal. You're going to need a pencil or a black Sharpie. You're going to need a peach, a dark brown, a light brown, and a green. We're going to start with the sloth's head. Draw a curved line like this. And then I'm going to take this curved line up and around. And I'm going to do 1, 2, 3 little spikes for the top of the sloth's head. Then I am going to curve up and around and connect this right here. Draw an outline like this. 1, 2, 3. So it's basically the same thing, but on the inside. So I'm going to draw around just like that. And then we're going to draw the dark part around the sloth's eyes, and I do up and around, up and around and back down, just like that. Anytime you need a pause, please do so you can catch up. Now I'm going to draw the sloth's nose, just an oval in the middle, just like that. And then I'm going to color that in and leave just a little bit of white. Then I'm going to give him a little smiley face. He is really sleepy, so his eyes are closed. It's right here. So I'm going to draw a line from here to his head. And then I'm going to draw a parallel line out right here. And then I'm going to draw another tree branch out right here. Okay, now we're going to draw arms about the middle right here. I'm going to draw a slanted line like that. Then I'm going to draw his arm going down and around and back up. So he is laying on that tree branch. I'm going to give him 1, 2, 3 claws right there. And this is his other arm. 1, 2, 3. All right. Now I'm going to draw his back, and I'm going to go down and around and up. I'm going to start about right here. I'm going to go up and then down. This is his leg right here. Around, up. I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3 little claws down there. And then this right here. Connect. Tree branch right there. And then I'm going to connect this to this and draw his little belly right there. And then his other leg. One, two, 3. I'm going to extend that tree branch all the way to the edge of the paper. And I'm going to go here. And then I'm just going to, without touching the paper, try to line it up the best I can to the other side. And go all the way out to the end. Okay. Now I'm going to add a few details. I'm going to bring this branch up so it's out. And I'm going to add some leaves. I'm going to do a stick, curve line up, and then a curve line back down. Might do another leaf right here, stick, curve line up, and then back down. That. Now I'm going to draw a little bit of detail for his fur. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3 little lines. 1, 2, 3 little lines. 1, 2, 3 little lines. And you can do that kind of wherever you feel like he needs that. Okay, so I added some Z's because he is a cute, sleepy sloth. And then I added some texture out here as well. Okay, let's start coloring. And there is our cute, sleepy sloth. And I hope you had so much fun drawing this sloth with me today. For more videos, you can go to my channel. For how to draw pages and coloring pages, you can visit my website, CarolynCassidyArt.com. Thanks again. Bye.